Breaking news for all Social Security, SSI, and SSDI recipients. The IRS has just confirmed groundbreaking dates for the fourth stimulus payment, and you won't believe who's eligible for this $2,200 check. If you're a low-income senior receiving benefits, this news could change your financial situation dramatically. Stay tuned because I'm about to reveal everything you need to know about this latest development. Before we dive into these crucial details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on important updates about stimulus payments, Social Security benefits, and financial news that directly affects your wallet. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to support our channel in delivering accurate, timely information to our community. Let's address the question that's on everyone's mind. Is this fourth stimulus check really happening? According to recent IRS announcements, the answer is yes, and it's specifically targeting our nation's most vulnerable population, low-income seniors receiving Social Security benefits, SSI and SSDI. Many of you have been asking, when exactly will these payments start going out? The IRS has confirmed that the distribution process will begin in phases, with the first wave of payments scheduled to start reaching eligible recipients within the next few weeks. This systematic approach ensures that those most in need receive their payments first, while maintaining an organized and efficient distribution process. Now, you might be wondering, who exactly qualifies for this $2,200 payment? The criteria are specifically designed to help low-income seniors who rely on Social Security benefits, SSI or SSDI. To be eligible, individuals must meet certain income thresholds and be current beneficiaries of these programs. This means if you're receiving regular Social Security retirement benefits, supplemental security income, or Social Security disability insurance, you could be among the millions of Americans who will receive this financial support. One crucial detail that many people are asking about is the income threshold. According to the latest information, single filers with an adjusted gross income of less than $75,000 and married couples filing jointly with income under $150,000 will qualify for the full amount. The payment amount gradually decreases for those with higher incomes, similar to previous stimulus payments. But here's something important you need to know. Unlike previous stimulus payments, this fourth round has special provisions for seniors. The government has recognized the unique challenges faced by older Americans during these challenging economic times, particularly those living on fixed incomes who have been hit hard by inflation. You might be asking, do I need to do anything to receive this payment? For most eligible recipients, the answer is no. If you're already in the system as a Social Security, SSI, or SSDI recipient, the IRS will use the information they have on file to automatically process your payment. However, if you've recently moved or changed banks, you'll want to ensure your information is up to date with the Social Security Administration and the IRS. Let's talk about the payment method. The IRS will distribute these stimulus checks through the same channels as previous payments. If you typically receive your benefits through direct deposit, that's how you'll get this stimulus payment. If you usually receive paper checks, the IRS will mail your stimulus payment to the address they have on file. Many viewers have been asking about the timeline for these payments. The IRS has announced a staggered distribution schedule based on the last digits of recipients' Social Security numbers. This organized approach helps prevent system overload and ensures smoother processing of payments. Here's another important question many have asked. Will this payment affect my other benefits? The answer is no. This stimulus payment is considered a tax credit, not income. This means it won't affect your eligibility for other federal benefits like SNAP Medicaid or your regular Social Security payments. Now, let's address some concerns about scams. Unfortunately, whenever there's news about stimulus payments, scammers try to take advantage of vulnerable individuals. Remember, the IRS will never call, text, or email you asking for personal information or payment to receive your stimulus check. If anyone contacts you claiming to be from the IRS and requesting such information, it's a scam. For those wondering about the reasoning behind this fourth stimulus check, it's important to understand the current economic context. Rising inflation has particularly affected seniors on fixed incomes, making it increasingly difficult to afford basic necessities. This targeted stimulus aims to provide relief to this vulnerable population. Some of you might be asking about the difference between this stimulus and previous ones. The key distinction is its focused nature, specifically targeting low-income seniors who receive Social Security benefits. This targeted approach ensures that help reaches those who need it most. What if you're eligible but don't receive your payment? The IRS has set up a dedicated hotline for stimulus payment inquiries. However, they recommend waiting at least 4 weeks from the announced payment date for your Social Security number group before making inquiries. Here's another crucial detail. This stimulus payment is tax-free. You won't need to report it as income on your next tax return, and it won't affect your tax bracket or future benefits calculations. For those concerned about budget impacts, this stimulus package has been fully funded through existing appropriations and doesn't require additional deficit spending. This was a key consideration in getting the measure approved. Looking ahead, many are asking if there will be more stimulus payments in the future. While nothing is certain, government officials have indicated that they're monitoring the economic situation and its impact on seniors closely. One aspect that's particularly important for married couples, if both spouses receive Social Security benefits and meet the income requirements, both will be eligible for the payment. This means some households could receive up to $4,400 in total stimulus support. For those who have recently started receiving Social Security benefits, there's good news. As long as you were approved for benefits before the stimulus announcement date, you should be eligible for the payment. This fourth stimulus check represents significant support for our nation's seniors who rely on Social Security benefits. While the distribution will take some time to complete, the confirmed dates and clear eligibility criteria provide a solid framework for recipients to plan ahead. If you found this information helpful, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on any changes or additional news about this stimulus payment. Share this video with friends or family members who might benefit from this information. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and we'll do our best to answer them in our next video. Remember, we're here to help you stay informed about these important financial matters. Keep checking back for more updates, and thank you for watching. Stay safe, and we'll see you in our next video. Don't forget to check out our other videos about Social Security benefits and financial updates. Thanks for being part of our community.